Alright, you guys, that is the look. I have a hair. Where is it? Front. I still have a hair. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited. Today is my second tutorial I am doing with the BFF Volumizing Mascaras, and the color I am using is Kissin' Teal today. I also used black on black on top, but also I have a giveaway that is going on, and make sure to check that out. I'll go ahead and link it above. But the extra things that you'll need to create today's look, if you want to create it, for the eye is I did go in with the Zulu palette. This had just gorgeous color. Oh my gosh, I love this palette. This palette is so fun. And I did use Little White Lies in Mint Myth from Stila. For the eyeliners, I have the Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil in Starfire. It's this really pretty brown. And then I also have in this kind of aqua color, which is Jordana, and it is in Tantalizing Teal. I guess it's a teal color, not an aqua color. Oops. Anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then just keep watching. Alright, you guys, I have like a light over here on my cheek. I don't know where it's coming from. I'm wondering if it's coming from these. These are very reflective. Nope, guess not. Anyways, don't mind the light on my cheek. I don't know where it's coming from, but let's move on to the rest of the face. I'm going in with blush. I'm going in with this Note blush in Desert Rose. I love this blush. It helps pull in a lot of my warm looks, so I use this a lot with my warmer toned looks. Wow. I might have used a bit much. Let's buff her out real quick because she's kind of intense. Now I'm going in with highlighter. I'm actually going to do two. I'm going to do the bottom with Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown. And then I'm going to go over the top of that with this loose highlighter in I'm So Lit. It's like this champagne topper. Ooh, it's so pretty. That just kind of gave it like this really pretty extra oomph. Alright, and now the final touch is the lipstick. I'm going in with Tiptoe, and this is a Colourpop Lux lipstick. It's just a really pretty neutral. I don't want to do anything crazy just because this look is very intense. I'm just going to add back in my beauty mark because it always disappears. Alright, you guys, that is the look I created with Kissin' Teal, and make sure to keep an eye out for all the mascara color looks. But anyways, that is all that I have for you guys. Make sure to go check out my giveaway video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! It pulls in a lot of warm looks, really. It pulls in, alright, but the things, but anyways, that's all I have for you. Alright, you guys, that is the look. I have a hair. Where is it? Alright, you guys, that is the look using the Kissin' Teal mascara. I still have a hair.